Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Today's video, a little unboxing. Hey everybody, welcome back. And first off, I want to say thank you to all of the new subscribers and to all of the reoccurring subscribers for sticking around. Thanks a lot, guys. You guys rock. Also, for the 819,000 views that I've gotten on my channel. Wow, thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate it. Hopefully that a lot of the information that I give out is useful information to a lot of you guys and, can help you guys out. So what I've got going on here is a order from StewMac. I already took off the labels off the box. I already opened up the box to make sure that what I ordered was what I ordered, because I kind of was really late at night when I placed this order. I'm surprised it got here this fast. But yeah, so StewMac's giving a nice little celebrating guitar makers catalog, which has some useful tools inside of it, which I think I'm going to be placing another order with these guys. So let me get this out of the way. I've already opened up the bag and took everything out to look at what I've ordered. Now these are fret end dressing files, okay? And there's two different sizes here. You've got a medium and a large, or a small and a medium. Not too sure, because they really don't really mark these what they are, exception of a number that's on here, which is probably a part number. Anybody who has like fret ends that are hanging a little bit over, they're kind of cutting up your fingers. These things here, I thought these were a crowning tool because they kind of look like a fret crowning tool, but I was wrong. So I picked up two different sizes for two different size frets, and it's got a U-shape file in the center of this over here. So when you go on the edge of the fret, you can kind of go and get rid of or make that angle. Also, you have a file on each side, which has polished on the sides, so the fret, so you're not digging with the file into the fretboard, which is kind of nice. And that's for basically just getting rid of the edges, the little burrs or something that's on the corners of the fret, so it'll be nice and comfortable. Now you guys know I've been taking the guitar repair, restoration, wiring, and I've been taking everything pretty seriously, and I've been getting all the tools that I need for basically doing the job and doing the job right. And I kind of enjoy working on the guitars. It keeps me busy, keeps me out of trouble, and keeps my mind going. I'm constantly thinking about what type of upgrades I could do to a guitar, looking at eBay and picking up, which I was also asked to make a video about how I look for guitars as far as stuff to work on, or projects, or whatever you want to call it. And it's not really that hard. I'll have to explain it maybe in another video of what I've been doing and how I've been doing it. But what the value of that guitar is makes a big difference in what the pricing is as far as condition and everything else. So it's something you have to look for. But anyways, I've been taking this pretty seriously and really, really wanting to do something and make something of it. And I think I've kind of succeeded with that in my past history with working on these things, and the amount of knowledge that I picked up from you guys as being some of you guys with your channels that are doing a little bit of guitar work here and there. Been picking up a few little pointers and stuff from you guys as well, and it just makes the job a little bit easier. And the more knowledge you get about something, the better off you are in how you're going to be doing your own work, basically. And I know I say basically too much. I gotta stop saying basically too much. Why am I saying basically? basically, why? Why basically? I don't know. Anyways, but I've been trying to get this and be really serious about what I'm doing and make something of it. And I think I have succeeded. I hope I have. And maybe you guys learned a little bit off of me just as much as I learned a little bit off of you guys. Actually, I learned a lot off of you guys. Bad thing about it is I'm not taking the guitar playing as seriously as I am taking the repairs, restoration, and rewiring and everything else goes. There's still a lot of stuff that I haven't done for repairs, and I'm hoping to find and maybe find another project guitar that I can use as an example to understand and learn how to use other tools and other ways of doing things. I have not, done a broken neck yet or a broken headstock. I have not had to pull a neck off of the guitar as far as a set neck. I haven't done refretting yet. I haven't had a need to. I haven't fixed binding. There's different ways of fixing binding. What else? Oh, braces on a hollow body guitar. I haven't had to do anything with that. I've been kind of lucky when it comes to that stuff. You guys have been the real lucky ones that have been doing it because now you have the knowledge of knowing how to do it. Something I want to have. Maybe in the future. But anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for supporting. Thanks for the views. Thanks for everything. And you guys rock on. Keep on doing what you're doing out there. And I'll catch up with you later.